Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 3rd of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 10's testing of the SPY strategy, front testing strategy, which is the days open versus previous days closed. So if we go over here, we can immediately see that on the 26th we had a buy signal, which actually gave us a huge loss of almost 5,000, bringing our cumulative return down to 8.852% and our alpha down to 2.776%. Next, on the next day, we had a buy signal again, which gave us a small profit of $494.5, which after commissions which is equated to a profit of 0.043%, minimally increasing our cumulative return to 8.895%, and our alpha goes down to 2.633%. 28th as well, we can see that we had a sell signal, which gave us another huge loss of $2,006.01, which is a 0.186% loss. Again, bringing our cumulative return down to 8.71% and our alpha even further down to 2.580%. Here we can see on the 29th, we had a buy signal where we got a small profit of $21.41, which was completely negated by transaction charges. Therefore, we didn't make any profit that week, but it did bring our alpha down to 2.22%. On the 1st of March, however, we had the biggest profit of the week, which pretty much gave us an overall profitable week with a buy signal and a profit of $8,270, which is 0.756% profit, and brings our cumulative portfolio up to 9.466% in 10 weeks. And our alpha even goes further down to 2.038%. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.